Sachet Pheromone Deterrent DIY pest control products offer a low-effort way to protect closets and pantries from common fabric and stored food pests. Use lavender sachets for moth deterrents by filling breathable cotton pouches with dried lavender buds and placing them among garments and linens. The scent masks the pheromone cues female moths use to find sites to lay eggs and provides a mild repellent effect. For pantry pest monitoring, make or buy pheromone traps that contain a species-specific lure on sticky cards so you can detect low-level infestations before they spread. Place traps near food storage on horizontal surfaces away from direct light and replace the sticky insert every 2 to 4 weeks depending on dust accumulation. Rotate sachet locations every month to prevent pest habituation and refresh the scent by crushing a few buds or adding a few drops of essential oil to the sachet interior. Avoid overconcentration of oil, which can stain fabrics by applying oils to a small piece of cotton inside the pouch rather than the dried plant material. Seal and inspect food in airtight containers and store seldom used garments in clean, dry boxes with a sachet inside to maintain a protective scent barrier while allowing air exchange. When making DIY pheromone lures from commercial kits, follow package directions closely because these lures mimic female sex attractants and will only attract the target species if used correctly. Choose the correct lure type for pantry moths or clothing moths and change the lure at the interval recommended by the manufacturer. Always combine passive scent deterrents with good sanitation practices such as vacuuming crevices, laundering exposed fabrics in hot water, or freezing for 3 days for unwashable items, and removing infested material promptly to prevent populations from becoming established. One common mistake is relying on sachets alone without monitoring, which can let low-level infestations grow. Pair sachets with pheromone sticky traps and regular inspections so you know when to take stronger action. Another issue is using overly strong essential oil applications that stain or damage fabrics. Instead, apply oil to a small absorbent pad inside the pouch and test on an inconspicuous seam before widespread use. A third problem is failing to isolate and treat infested items, which allows pests to spread. Immediately quarantine suspect clothing or food, launder or freeze items as appropriate, and replace or clean storage materials before returning items to the closet or pantry. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to let contractors find work by connecting with people who need projects related to pest prevention and storage solutions. We also host a discussion community where members share real-world experiences, DIY recipes, and contractor recommendations that relate directly to using sachets and pheromone products.